Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Style School. Boho dressing can be best described as comfort dressing with a bit of an edge. This style of dressing involves free and flowy fabric and also emphasizes on using natural fabrics that are safe for the environment. Today I'm going to show you some essentials that will make boho dressing super easy for you. That is it for this episode of Style School. Let us know what you thought of it in the comments section below. And while you do that, do not forget to check out the POPxo shop. We've got some really cool merchandise like planners, doormats, scented candles and a lot more. So just click on the link in the description box and go shop now. And for more styling tips and tricks and news on celebrity looks, keep watching POPxo Daily.